guys, welcome to Food vs Sharma with me Sumant. In my today's video, I will be sharing with you the recipe of Sattu Paratha, an immensely popular dish of Bihar cuisine. So let's closely watch out the recipe. Here I have taken around 250 grams of sattu or gram flour. To this we will add 2 teaspoons of garlic, 1 teaspoon of ginger, green chili 1 teaspoon, 2 medium-sized chopped onion, 1 tablespoon of coriander leaves. Add salt as per your taste. Sugar 1 teaspoon, 2 tablespoons of mustard oil, 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. Now give it a good mix. Our sattu mixture is all ready now, so we will move on to our next step. Here we have prepared normal chapati dough in which we are going to stuff our sattu mixture. Prepare a cup shape kind of this way. Fill in the sattu mixture here. Now close the ends and seal the top. Gently roll it out. Make sure it is even from all sides. Heat the tawa and place the paratha on the heated tawa. Once this is 50% cooked, use oil and cook rest of the 50%. See, our quick and tasty Sattu Paratha is all ready to be served now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, then do give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming recipes. Until next video, goodbye.